Sony fans, it's finally happening. The Sony A7 V is officially confirmed, and this might be one of the biggest full-frame camera upgrades we've seen in years. Today, I'll break down all the expected specs, new features, upgrades, release details, and why this camera could completely change the hybrid shooter market. So make sure you watch till the end. For months we've seen rumors, leaks, and early industry reports. But now, multiple trusted sources have confirmed that the Sony A7 V is real, and it's coming sooner than expected. The A7 lineup is Sony's most popular hybrid camera series, known for giving creators a perfect balance of photography and videography, and the A7 V is expected to push all boundaries even further. Let's start with the most exciting part, the new sensor. The Sony A7 V is expected to come with a new 3336MP backside illuminated full-frame sensor, but with better dynamic range, cleaner low-light performance, and faster readout. We're also expecting next-gen Bionic XR processor, improved color science, better highlight recovery, higher native ISO performance. If Sony enhances the readout speed, rolling shutter could be significantly reduced, making handheld video even smoother. Videographers, this part is for you. Sony A7 V is rumored to include some massive upgrades. 6K oversampling to 4K, 4000 up to 12fps, new heat management system, 10-bit 4:2:2:2 recording, S-Cinetone and S-Log 3 improvements, better IBIS with up to 7-stop stabilization. If these specs are true, the A7 V could become the most powerful hybrid camera in its price class, even challenging the A7 IV, A7S III, and FX series in some areas. One thing Sony always dominates is autofocus, and the A7 V is expected to take it to the next level. We could get AI-based subject tracking, improved human and animal IF, more accurate face detection, faster continuous shooting. Sony's new AI processor, if included, will make tracking extremely reliable, especially for sports, wildlife, and wedding shooters. On the outside, the A7 V might follow the modern Sony design language, fully articulating touchscreen, higher resolution 3.2-inch LCD, better EVF with higher brightness, improved grip and button layout, new menu system, dual card slots, Express Type A plus SD. Sony may also add better cooling and possibly a redesigned body that feels more premium and durable. For photographers, expect faster burst rates, improved raw buffer, more accurate colors, better low light detail, enhanced dynamic range performance. Wedding, portrait, and travel photographers are going to love this upgrade. Now the big questions: price and release date. According to early reports, announcement early 2025, price around $2,500 to $2,700. Here are the biggest benefits that make the Sony A7 V the best choice in the hybrid category. Most reliable autofocus system, 6K quality plus oversampling for sharper 4K, better low light performance, Sony's unbeatable lens ecosystem, professional video tools at mid-range price, excellent battery life compared to competitors, perfect balance of photo plus video true hybrid, lightweight and travel-friendly body, future-proof specs for the next 4 to 5 years. This camera is built not just for creators today, but for creators of the future. Here are the Sony A7 V uses you can add in your video: short, clear, and professional in English. Professional photography, portraits, weddings, fashion and studio shoots, product photography, landscape and travel photography, sports and action shots. The new sensor plus fast autofocus makes it ideal for all types of professional stills work. 2. Professional video production, YouTube filmmaking, short films, weddings and events video coverage, documentaries, commercial shooting, music videos, 4K 120fps plus 10, bit for 222 makes it perfect for cinematic production. 3. Content creation, YouTube, vlogging, daily vlogging, tech reviews, travel vlogs, cooking, fitness, lifestyle content, talking head videos. Fully articulating screen plus great autofocus equals ideal for content creators. 4. Social media content, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, Facebook video ads, vertical content recording. High-quality image and color science make content look premium. 5. Low-light shooting, night city photography, indoor event coverage, wedding receptions, low-light filmmaking. Improved ISO handling gives cleaner results in dark environments. 6. Wildlife and nature shooting, bird photography, animal tracking, safari filming, fast-moving wildlife capture. AI autofocus is a big advantage here. 7. Travel and adventure filmmaking, travel documentaries, adventure sports, hiking, biking, trekking videos, outdoor cinematic shots. Lightweight body plus strong stabilization helps in handheld outdoor use. 8. Professional live streaming, streaming podcasts, gaming stream setups, corporate meetings, online webinars. Clean HDMI plus fast autofocus makes streaming smooth and professional. 9. Commercial work, real estate photography, product ads, brand content, corporate videos. High detail plus great dynamic range helps in commercial shoots. The Sony A7 V isn't just another upgrade, it's a complete evolution. Improved sensor, unbelievable autofocus, powerful video features, and a balanced hybrid identity. If you're a creator, filmmaker, photographer, or YouTuber, the A7 V might be the best camera you buy in 2025.